Hi guys, welcome to Andrew Vanderkolden TV, and today I'm going to show you guys how to turn this PS3 iCam into a webcam. At the moment, you can see me testing it out under Skype. You can tell that it works. So, what exactly do you need for this tutorial? Well, obviously you're going to be needing your webcam, the PS3 iCam. I happen to got this bad boy at a thrift store for $1. Now that's something you cannot beat, and for something this good to serve good quality as an actual webcam, why not? The second thing that you'll be needing for this tutorial is the driver. You can easily download that under my description down below. To start off this tutorial, let's start off by mounting up the camera and plugging in the USB and going to your desktop computer to download the driver. Once you're finished with that, it's time to double click on that exe executable file and start the installation process. This shouldn't take more than a few minutes, so let's stay tuned and get on to it. You then will notice that a shortcut has popped up on your desktop. You want to double click on that to test out your webcam. Nice quality, right? Can't beat that. Anyways, don't forget to subscribe to Andrew Vanderkolden TV for more videos, tips, and tutorials for your everyday needs to make life even more simpler than what it already is. Stay tuned.